All right, good morning, y'all. Today we are taking the Lexus IS 350, 2 cars and coffee. So let's get right into it, hop in, get us a little cold start. Oh my God, bro. I love how this car sounds. All right, y'all, so in today's video, we are actually hitting up 2 different cars and coffees. One's at a church parking lot and one is at these luxury garage lofts. We're gonna get to see a bunch of cool cars and some owners' like private car collections. And they have these like really cool setups. I've done videos there before, but if this is y'all's first time watching me, then this is me the first time y'all see this place. I absolutely love it. Their events are awesome. So I'm super hyped to get there too. So if y'all enjoy this video, like, subscribe, comment anything y'all want to see on this channel. Yeah, it's completely free. Helps me out so much. I'm really trying to get monetized on here so I can start putting money back into my content to make better content for y'all. So yeah, with all that out of the way, let's have a really fun drive down to Cars and Coffee, walk around, look at some cars, and have some fun today. Y'all live in the DFW area, you know 121 business is just a hole, bro. This highway sucks. It's a 60, but you got people like, look at this, bro. Left lane, not moving. Right lane, completely open, but not moving. Look at this, bro. Oh my God, bro. This highway absolutely blows. Basically at the first event, so I'm gonna cut to us making it there right now. All right, y'all, made it here, got it parked up, found the only other Lexus here, parked as close as I could, but it's pretty stacked here, man. Bunch of just, you know, normal builds, and then down that direction, bunch of exotic cars. Also got a nice selection of trucks. Pretty cool. We got like a Nixon 5 looking Jeep, and then this little tiny Honda K truck. We got a JDM Land Cruiser. This thing's super sick. Love this thing. Love the tan color. Oh my gosh, this thing's absolutely beautiful. This actually came into the dealership I work at like about a week ago, so I got to see a lot of this thing, which is pretty nice. I do like it a lot. It's a really clean build. We got this lime green McLaren 570S, as well as this lime green 3RS parked right next to it, which super clean combo right there. Holy crap, bro. Liberty Walk McLaren 720S. What a car. Parking right up next to a 600 LT. Oh my God, bro. Little R34 sedan. Nice little white wheels. This thing is pretty nice. Pretty freaking nice, man. This thing is super clean. Got a beautiful LC 500 right here. Probably one of my dream cars. I eventually really want one of these. ProCharge LS inside of this little ass Toyota Cressida, bro. Oh my God, what a build on this. That is insane, my brother. Oh my God, dude. Look at this. Holy shit. It's beautiful, bro. This thing is beautiful. S14 drift car. Holy shit. Fully gutted with the cage, some brides, some Sparkos. Oh my God, bro. And the wide body. are done with this meet. We're gonna be cruising out right now. I'm gonna be cruising out with my buddy in the M235i right there. So let's hop in the Lexus and head to the luxury garages. Holy crap, y'all, we got a GTD right next to us. That is insane, bro. Hell yeah, bro, a little cruise going on. Yes, sir. Oh, bumpy. Oh, oh my God. Oh, that's a big ass bump. Oh, I'm so glad I just slammed my brakes, bro. Oh my God, the Celsius flavor is fire, bro. Mango passion fruit. Hell yeah, brother. I know, dude. I slammed on my brakes. I was like, I saw you and I'm like, oh, he's like not as low as me or as stiff as me. I was like, oh. Damn! Oh my God, bro! Back to burble off. What? Burbles are off now? Yeah. You. Hey, go in first person. Yo. Good reference, good reference. Currently about to pull into the complex where the event is being held, so I'm gonna cut to that real quick. All right, y'all, we made it to the event. I parked up next to this LS400, pretty clean, and yeah, we're out here at the garages right now, so we're gonna take a look around at some of the luxury garage lots and some of the cars that came here. So let's get to it. Oh my gosh, bro, this garage is sick. It's like a whole casino in here and a bar, and we got some classic cars. Pretty sweet, y'all. Pretty sweet. Bunch of Hot Wheels. Oh my gosh, bro. The Star Wars themed one is sick. Look at that. Wow. Ferrari. Little C3PO R2D2. And a 911 Turbo S. Also some assorted bikes. This little classic Ducati. Wow. Very nice. Oh, you like this one? Oh, that thing is cool. Beamer. All right, y'all. We have this garage in here. This thing is sick. It's very American. Lots of Corvettes. C8 ZR1, Ford GT, C7 ZR1, C6 ZR1, C4 ZR1, another C7 ZR1, and another C6 ZR1. This dude basically is collecting every single ZR1 there is. And Shelby Cobra. What a crazy collection, man. Got another super sick garage. Bunch of cars stacked up on each other. 3RS down there. Bronco down there. Bunch more cars stacked up. This thing is so luxury, bro. And this nice classic in front of us. Wow, dude. Also got a full Porsche garage in here. Basically any Porsche you could name, all in this garage, man. Wow. This thing's sick. This is my type of garage. I love Porsche, bro. It is so nice. It's such a beautiful garage. This 4RS is beautiful, bro. Oh my goodness. Fat wing on the back. Holy shit, dude. All right, it's probably my favorite car I've seen today and probably will stay that way. It's like dream car, bro. GT4 RS. Oh my God.
Jim, you're going to buy a Porsche, right? You're like, I need to buy at least 3 Porsches so I can get my GT3 RS. Let's start off with a banger.
Exactly. Look at this paint color.
Dude, the polarization is going incredible on this car.
Dude's saying words I don't even understand. This thing is amazing, and it's like blue in the back. What a beautiful paint color. It is the 4th of July when I'm filming this video, so we got some people with some flags on the cars. We got a Tesla and a BMW M4. Yas Mariana blue. We got the comp wheels. Oh my gosh, bro. White interior, beautiful. Oh, this is such a clean spec, bro. And the American flag makes it look super cool. I love it. Got this Miami blue GT3 right here. And it's manual, by the way. Yeah, it's beautiful, dude. 997 GT3. Oh shoot, he's gonna launch it. Oh my god. Damn.
Oh boy, actually knows how to drive.
Do it again. Do it again. Rip it again. Woo. Y'all, me hopping back in the car. That is gonna be it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If y'all did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next time, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.